Hello world. Today we have a very special video. Today we are unboxing the pair of the bear claws.
Ooh.
Got them from Bravest Studios. Was able to snag a pair. Very excited. I've been waiting probably 3 or 4 months for these.
Sound exciting.
Very excited. Look at the box for the box. Whoa.
Wait, it's bear fur.
Bear fur.
That's
Look at
really
this.
cool. Wait.
This is sweet.
Wait, it's bear fur? Wait, is it
Whoa,
actually
this
furry?
Is the box.
Oh.
Actual real bear fur. Real live bear fur.
I don't trust that it's real life.
It's not real live bear fur. But it's pretty cool. All right, This is the box. Very sweet. Here we go.
First reveal.
Oh.
Smells like a pack of new shoes.
Whoa.
Wait, let me see those.
Look at these.
What? Those are
How sweet.
clean. Look at those.
Huh?
Whoa. Are they supposed to be like slippers?
Yeah, they're like slippers.
Oh, they're like slippers.
Oh yeah, these are sweet. These are sweet. All right. New bear claws. Love them. Thanks, Bravest Studios.